For anyone that knows me, knows that I don't buy up to the hype of this crap. I think it's overpriced. I did buy up to it about 13 or 14 years ago. So I'm going to try to blow this up with some Tannerite. I wouldn't worry, I'll clean up all the trash, and I did take out the battery to recycle. So let's try it out. Alright, so we set the laptop up, got our ear protection. I'm going to shoot this with my 243. I haven't shot it in a while, so let's see how good I aim I am. Alright, here's the 243. I'm going to give it a go. Hopefully I can get it in a couple tries. It's pretty far away, so. Alright, you guys are going to have to stand back over here a little bit. Thank you. Cover your ears with your earplugs too, okay? I'm going live here in a second. Wish I had something to...
Safety.
Huh?
Listening to what?
Something to rest this on so I could shoot better. Alright, come over here, guys. Yeah, there's flies out everywhere, biting me up. Why are they getting me? I'm going to try one and see if I can get it. If not, we'll get a stick or something. Okay, back up, please. Back up. Thank you. Cover your ears with your earplugs in, please. Yeah, I sunk down on that one. Be careful, that's gonna be hot. I shot a little low. I keep slouching the barrel down. Let's try another one. Remember, let it absorb, or let it, and also look what I do. Take it and you can push it into your ear when I shoot, okay? If it's not staying in right. You can take that when we're done, alright?
Yeah, don't touch it. It's
probably hot right now.
Okay, George, come on. Stand like over here so you can see.
I'm gonna... Hang on a second. It doesn't matter. I'll get the other view over there. I'm gonna lean down and do it so I can brace this. Nope. I'm a shit aim, guys. Come on. Got the computer, but not the Tannerite. Let's try. Oh my God! You guys didn't expect that, did you? That computer is demolished. Pretty loud, huh? Jeez Louise. All right, we'll be back. We're going to take a look at this real quick. All right, so let's go look at the devastation here.
One of the tiny ones.
I know.
The bigger one's like...
I know, the 2 pound would have been. I mean, that was...
You said the explosion on the tiny one, the explosion is going to be like the table. That was bigger.
Yeah, well,
I mean, it was
well, listen. There's a lot of dust in this cinder pit, so it's put up a lot of dust. But
it's like a
all right, we're gonna switch to the other screen here.
I can kind of, I think.
Let's look at the devastation. This thing went everywhere. Like I said, we'll clean everything up. I took the battery out so I could recycle it and the hard drive and everything. So
it kind of looks like a...
I gutted it out.
It didn't look like one, but it kind of like looks like a meteor hit. Where is it?
It's over there. We can turn it off. I don't know. Look around, guys. So here's the crater it made where it was. And looks like they found... Oh, wow. Well, there's half of it. Where's the other half? Let's see.
Wait, there's even
Show
cards.
me how. Oh
They're
man,
the key. They're the key.
look at that.
The key. Oh wait.
Okay, let's pick it up. Pick it up.
Apple.
Oh yeah.
And there's here. I'm gonna go set.
Just
There's
the
a couple
apple.
keys.
All right, put it all in the pile, please.
Oh,
Let's so we can take it all and dispose of it. Here's the. Yeah, I'll pick up all these keys. Let's get it all. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Well, the computer's not gonna work anymore.
I mean,
it may have seemed kind of like a waste, but
I mean,
this
it
computer has been broken. I've had it for, I say, 13, 14 years. And I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate over not really liking Apple products. So I apologize. I don't really care. I think they're overpriced, and you can buy something for a lot less money. And
It's the same.
yeah.
I think this is. Dad, I think this is a part from the.
Anyway, yeah.
And I'm pretty sure this is a part from like the TNT.
Yeah, that's from the Target.
I want to screen it. Or not the screen. Like, oh, we already found it.
There's a few other pieces I could see up the hill. That thing launched probably, what do you say, 50 feet or so.
You can still press it.
Oh geez.
So look, you can see some of the.
Yeah, it went all over.
What if it just still works? Like we charge.
Luckily, this place is pretty clean, and people keep it clean when they come and shoot here. They keep it clean when they come and shoot here, so we'll do the same. I think we're out there. We're gonna shoot some more, and we got some thunderstorms rolling back in, so we're gonna shoot and go do something else. We out. All right, so unfortunately, I had a camera placed closer to the target. The SD card ran out, so it didn't even catch the explosion. But I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna shoot another one just by itself without a computer, obviously, but I can show you the damage here. This is all that's left. The keyboard is absolutely just demolished. The screen, all the buttons are in there. It's pretty wild. All right, let's shoot another one. Just for the hell of it. It goes kaboom.
Yep.
All right, we're gonna go live with another one since we didn't get the computer. It's still a really badass explosion, so let's see. All right, boys, are going live. Stand back. I'm gonna sit on my butt this time and. Oh, there we go. That did it that time. One shot, one kill. Sweet. That spreads up a whole hell of a lot of dust and smoke, I guess, or vapor of some kind. I don't know. I'll go ahead and take clip out. All the little shells are in there.
The bullet. That's really hot.
All right, now we're out.
The bullet isn't even
It's kind of
hot.
disappointing that we didn't catch the computer, unfortunately, but it is what it is. Let's get out of here. It's starting to rain, or let's at least sit in the car.